for joining us on our third episode of Cowabunga Cooking. Today I have a special guest, my cousin Israel. Izzy is going to be assisting me in making this delicious treat, soft pretzel bites. First things first, let's wash our hands. Let's go through all the tools you'll need. First, you'll need a hand mixer, or you guys know my favorite, a KitchenAid blender. 2 baking sheets and a large pan. Also, our performance is being judged by Judge Jetty and Judge Woody.
I will be judging this performance today. You guys better get it right.
A large saucepan for boiling water. A slotted spoon.
And a pastry brush.
A small bowl for the egg yolk. 1 1/2 cup of warm water. Put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. That'll do it. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 package of yeast or 1/4 ounce of yeast. 3 1/2 cups of flour.
And 1 additional cup of flour for kneading the dough.
2 teaspoons of salt.
And this half cube of butter, which is 4 tablespoons.
Make sure you grease your pan very well so your pretzels don't stick. Let's add the 1 1/2 cups of water. Packet of yeast. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now blend it. Since it's all blended, let it sit for 5 minutes. 3 1/2 cups of flour to the bowl. Add the salt, your melted butter. Start blending. Add more flour as needed for the dough to come together. Raise the heat to medium and continue kneading for 4 to 6 minutes until dough is smooth and elastic. Oil the bowl before kneading. Make sure you flip it so the oil gets all over the dough. I've kneaded my dough. I put saran wrap, and now I'm going to put this in a warm place for an hour.
Are the pretzel bites done, guys? I'm hungry. I want pizza. Yummy pizza. I love it.
Preheat our oven to 450 degrees. Let's grease our baking sheets. With your extra 1 cup of flour, pour a little, and start kneading your dough. You cut it to form your pretzel bites. Now while Izzy's getting the pretzel bites ready, you need to prepare your water. I have 8 cups of water in here and 1/2 cup of baking soda. Now I will put it in and stir. I turned it up to high heat to bring it to a boil. Now I will help my cousin Izzy form the pretzel bites.
Ready is almost ready. Okay, get your scorecard ready.
To prepare the glaze for the pretzel bites, I will need 1 egg yolk. I'm going to mix the yolk and add a little bit of water. Get your slotted spoon, put 2 pretzel bites on it, and boil them for about 20 to 30 seconds. When it has been exactly 20 to 30 seconds of boiling, you need to drain them so there's no leftover water.
Judge. I thought you were judging.
I was. What?
Woody, they're almost done. Wake up.
Okay, I'm done with this. Now let's go on to the next step. Now Izzy is going to paint the pretzel bites with the egg yolk.
The glaze gives the brown nice color and to help the salt stay on.
Now sprinkle some salt on your pretzel bites. Wait, it's crystal sea salt. Now let's put them in the oven. Now put them in the oven for 14 to 17 minutes, but make sure to keep an eye on them. Now I will put my second pan in. This is our finished product. I hope you enjoy eating them as much as we enjoyed making them. I hope you'll also like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Oh, I almost forgot. Let's check in with the judges and see what they think.
Let me taste the finished product. I'm ready to make my choice. I love it. Me and Woody love it. It's a 10.